Today I wanted to share with you the unique benefits of our safety padlocks. The nylon body is curved and designed with ribs in the side for easy gripping and handling. The jaw locking mechanism doesn't allow the release of a key until the shackle is closed and the padlock is locked. The nylon body is non-conductive, non-sparking and resistant to chemicals and corrosion. They're available in 10 different colours for easy identification. These different colours can also designate the owner's seniority or the team they're working on. For safety reasons, each padlock is supplied with a single key to ensure anything that is locked out cannot be re-energised accidentally. There are two size shackles we supply, 42mm and 75mm. These are measured from the top of the lock to the top of the shackle. We're also able to do sets of key to like, which means all locks on the set have the same key, or we can do the master keying option where the sets are keyed differently but with a single master key that can open the full set.